got a big goddamn problem with the news. You ready for this? The news is completely manipulated. Everything you hear every single day is designed by corporate media to do one thing and one thing only. To keep you living in fear. Total fear. Fear, so you'll go out and spend money on things you probably don't even need, things you probably already have six of, so that their advertisers can keep buying ads on their stations. Tell you one more thing. You ready for this? I'll do this all day, man.
I have come to Albania to do two things. Number one, to teach the Quran. And number two, and I want to enter it into the record, I've come to this part of the world to make a humble effort to try to bring the two peoples closer together, the Muslims and the Orthodox. Russia intervened, whether you like Russia or you don't. The fact is that Russia intervened and stopped them. And their jihad defeated. And as a Muslim, I say thank Allah. Whether you like it or you don't, I thank Allah that Russia intervened. Russia took a great chance. Russia could have faced nuclear war. It was a great risk, but they took the risk. And as a result, Syria has been saved from becoming another Libya. The CIA and the Mossad and Saudi Arabia and Qatar, and of course Turkey, all combined to create ISIS. Russia intervened, whether you like Russia or you don't. The fact is that Russia intervened and stopped them. And their jihad is defeated. And as a Muslim, I say thank Allah. Whether you like it or you don't, I thank Allah that Russia intervened.
For 400 years, the Jesuits have been systematically removing that from all indigenous people and all scriptures and creating corporate religions to delude people with false hope. Ours is based on ancient wisdom, which they had it right. For 400 years, the Jesuits have been systematically removing that from all indigenous people and all scriptures and creating corporate religions to delude people with false hope.
20 years of effort on the part of the whole of the West. It was not just the United States that was there in Afghanistan. Britain was there, Germany was there, France was there, Turkey was there. All these years, the combined military effort of all of the West. And look at what happened after 20 years. So the implication of the collapse of that army in Afghanistan, the US retreat from Afghanistan, the first implication is that it provides evidence of irreversible decline of the modern West and of NATO. And that's bad news for the Great War which is coming.
Egypt is connected with Iraq and with parts of Europe and even with parts of Russia and India.
I've come to this part of the world to make a humble effort to try to bring the two peoples closer together. We are on the same wavelength. My scholarship and the scholarship of the Orthodox Christian world. We are on the same wavelength. The Orthodox Christian world of scholarship is drawing closer to the Quran and drawing closer to Prophet Muhammad. But that does not mean that they have to join the community of Muslims. You can still remain a Christian. Friendship and alliance between our two people.
Egypt is connected with Iraq and with parts of Europe and even with parts of Russia and India.
We teach the scriptures, we teach about God, we teach about magnetism, conscious energy. We teach all about all those things.
Egypt is connected with Iraq and with parts of Europe and even with parts of Russia and India. The government of the specific state has forbidden to make research and to go on the ground because you would find a complex of huge tunnels. Everybody knows that Egypt is connected with Iraq and with parts of Europe and even with parts of Russia and India.
All other universities on this planet Earth that we live on, stationary, horizontal, all of them, they're all globalists. Their false idol is Santa Paul, the globe, and for me, this is a very, 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 very important thing. Really in the face of the Copernican revolution. It's in the face of conventional science. Many intelligent people have been sucked into this lie of the globe psyop of the Jesuits. Many intelligent people.
What difference does the shape of the Earth make? I still have to go to work tomorrow. You know, what difference does it make? Well, it's not the shape that matters, it's the lie that matters. It's about about hiding the spiritual journey that you're on. They don't want you to know that your thoughts create your reality. They don't want you to know that they have no power over you. They can't make you do anything.
People have become sheep and cattle and goats and camels. How can you want to go to perform Hajj in Makkah at this time when traitors are controlling the Hajj? Don't you have any sense? People have become sheep and cattle and goats and camels.
I don't want people opening their cards. I want people opening their checkbooks.
People have become sheep and cattle and goats and camels. How can you want to go to perform Hajj in Makkah at this time? If I were to speak in public on this subject, they're going to start throwing stones at me. So I just remain silent. I said, let the sheep and cattle do their one. I make no public comment on the subject. People have become sheep and cattle and goats and camels.
Because you're lost in the digital world, nothing but a bunch of profiles and emails.
I don't want people opening their cards. I want people opening their checkbooks.
They've done enough evil. But you know what David does in the end, don't you?
Buckle your seatbelt, Dorothy, because Candace is going bye-bye.
Astrology is the science of God. I call it the Word of God. They do not want us to be empowered by the mother of all sciences, which we must all be pupils of if we wish to ascend correctly to the place we really want to go to. Astrology is crucial. It has to be in our knowledge base. You cannot avoid it. You cannot run away from the electromagnetic phenomena that is nature, and you must understand nature, which is God.
We never free a mind once it's reached a certain age. It's dangerous. The mind has trouble letting go.
Because he's getting to the truth, because he's getting to the one thing that blows everything wide open. This reality that blows everything apart. Everything in our world that we think is real is obliterated by this realization that we live on a flat, stationary plane. And that, I truly do believe there are other civilizations.
Hey, Jody boy, do you know how to work out the Mazzaroth? Hebrew word for zodiac, astrology. And Job says, yeah, I think I'm pretty good at it. I call myself a prophet, because that's what a prophet is. The astrologer is a prophet. He can prophesy, he can see and divine into the future.
It seems that you've been living two lives. One of these lives has a future.
I'm a software. I'm a spirit coming through. A broadcast. Some of us are that true white light spectrum. The divine chosen. We understand objective facts and biology, astrology is where we really exist. This world is a symbolic world. This is a virtual world. When people look in a microscope, they see cells moving around. Right? What if I told you those cells moving around is this world right here? Because this world is symbolic to the nano world. So while you're talking crazy, they're affecting you on a biochemical level with your food, with the chemtrails. This is how you control the world, the mind. And your only protection is nature.
You ever shoot a handgun?
Sorry, Mr. President. No, I haven't.
But you are a gun owner, right? Don't make me look bad in front of the press.
2 Remington 870s and a gun safe in my garage.
You can't drink a beer on the streets of America. You can carry a gun, an AK-47, assault rifle. That's completely legal. Don't worry about that.
You ever shoot a handgun?
Sorry, Mr. President. No, I haven't.
But you are a gun owner, right?